student. I study at a university and I enjoy learning many new things there. Being a student is sometimes challenging, but I also feel happy because I can gain knowledge and experience for my future. In my free time, I like listening to music and watching movies. Listening to music helps me relax, especially after studying or doing assignments. I also enjoy watching movies because they are entertaining and sometimes they teach me new things or give me new perspective. I live in Lampung with my family. My family is very important to me. My father is a retired worker and my mother is a housewife. My mother takes care of our home and always supports us. I really appreciate everything my parents have done for our family. I have 2 siblings, so we are 3 children in my family. My older brother's name is Ardi, and my sister's name is Bella. My brother is married to Ririn, and my sister is married to Fajri. I also have 5 nephews and niece. From my brother, Ardi, and his wife, Ririn, I have 3 nephews and niece. Their names are Ega, who is a boy, and Amara and Agnes, who are girls. From my sister Bella and her husband Fajri, I have 2 niece. Their names are Asifa and Naziha. Even though we are sometimes busy with our own activities, we still try to spend time together as a family. Sometimes we talk, watch movies, or just relax together at home. I love spending time with my family because they always support and encourage me in everything I do. They are the people who make me feel happy, comfortable, and motivated. That is a little story about me and my family. Thank you for listening. Any question? Yes.
Okay, yes.
Yes.
What name is your cousin?
My cousin.
Yes.
My cousin are Indri and Rico.
Okay, thank you.
Yes. Okay, thank you. Masuk. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum.